Namaste everyone. Welcome to dvirus.in. Let's start our video.
Configure Microsoft Authenticator, open outlook.office.com, type your email ID, password, then next, then again next, then again next. This is the barcode scanner. Next, go to your mobile device, click on install the Microsoft Authenticator, accept, then continue, then add work account, then scan this barcode scanner, then allow. You are done. So now go to your desktop, it will ask you verification code, type that verification code and press yes, next, and it's done. Thank you.
Thank you for listening and please visit my website dvirus.in. Thank you.